Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't worry about how my hair is looking or anything, because today I'm going to show you how to groom your brows. If you want to see how I groom my brows, then keep watching. The first thing you need for this is your spoolie brush. This is to brush your brow hairs up or down or whichever direction you want, and then you need your shaving blade. Today I want to tell you that the foundation of how your brows appear is dependent on how you carve them or shave them or do your microblading, whatever eyebrow grooming you like to do. But this video is not for anyone who likes to do microblading or permanent eyebrow tattoos and stuff like that. It's for those of us that like to shave with razor blades or use our tweezers to pluck out the hair, or use the threading method but you still have like some hair laid right there that you need to draw all the time you're doing your makeup. So the first thing is I'm going to use my spoolie brush to brush my hairs upward. This will help me to clearly see the shape of my brows, and then I know that I need my arch to be somewhere here, and then underneath the arch, as you're going towards the tail end of the brow, is supposed to like become very slim. Not too slim, but according to how thick your brows are in front here. So I like to carve my brows according to how the shape of the brow is and the shape of the face of that person. But before I start shaving, I'll use my wipe. This is the Tada facial wipe. It has collagen, aloe vera, vitamin E, and witch hazel. It looks like this. You just have to be careful, else this is the point where you mess up your brows. Then you see the little stray hairs right there, so I use this. You have to be careful so you don't cut yourself. This step usually I like to use is the little brow scissors to trim this, but I don't have that now. I couldn't find mine. Moving up and down and all of that, I think I lost it. And then since I can do this, I don't really bother. But if you're just starting, you could use your scissors to just carefully put and trim the excess stray hairs, and then also bring it down carefully to meet where the line stops in the shape you want it to be. Don't forget the shape. No stray hairs up. So now we brush it downwards, and then you see some of the stray hairs down. So we take them out carefully. You have to be careful. For the second brow, I like to show you a second method that would be easier for you. You create the brow first. That is, you draw the brow in the shape that you want it, and then once you have that shape, any hair that is outside the brow you have drawn, you just pluck them off or shave them. Pencil to trace it from here. Oops, my pencil broke. See that? So that is the underline, and then I trace the top. when I'm drawing it, I make sure to fill the ends more, because the end of your brow from the middle to the end is supposed to get darker as it goes for more definition. If the front is darker, because the front has more hair, if you're not careful, you will just make hair darker and then you'll be looking very funny. Here is dark, here is light, especially when you're not using a gel or a dark pencil to draw your brows. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time here, I really appreciate you stopping by. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you so much. I really appreciate you always stopping by, to encourage me, and keep your requests coming. This video was requested by one of my subscribers. She's actually a friend. She's someone I know personally from Nigeria before moving all the way here. So I hope this video was helpful to you as you watch it, and don't forget to like and leave a comment below in the comment section for me. See you again next week. Bye guys.